Original friends, to all of us. Oh, how nice to see and hear the hummingbirds. Is a fascinating real music of nature. Oh, what a beauty to behold as they fly by. It's obvious that their happiness is felt. Blessed to hear the flow of water on the shore. Something could cheer up your weak body. Every drop of water from a high purity. You can clearly hear Mother Nature's voice. Take care of your children. You and they are the same. You shouldn't miss any of those things, 'cause those are some magical parts of your body. If there are no birds and water, you're nothing. If there's no wind and trees, you're nothing too. There is no you here now, no one in this world. It feels so good to feel the freeze breeze from the tree that live in the mountains. Music that truly energizes, electrifies and timeless. Hear the guitar in the sky, it's Mother Nature's voice. Take care of your children, you and they are the same. You shouldn't miss any of those things, 'cause those are some magical parts of your body. If there are no birds and water, you're nothing. If there's no wind and trees, you're nothing too. There is no you, you're not no one in this world. There is no you here now, no one in this world. There is no